Let me ask you something. Ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day? You've got a job, maybe a family, a million things on your to-do list, and yet that dream project or side hustle just never seems to get any closer. Here's the secret nobody tells you. Time isn't the problem. It's all about priorities. Now, check this out. There are 168 hours in every week. Even if you work 40 hours and sleep a solid 8 hours every night, you still have 72 hours to play with. That's a lot. But here's where most people slip up. We say, I don't have time, when what we really mean is, it's not a priority. I know, that stings a bit, but it's true. Think about it this way. If your water heater explodes and floods your basement, you the time to deal with it, whether you're busy or not. When something's urgent, you make it happen. What if you treated your real priorities, your dreams, just like that broken water heater? Here's how I flip my mindset. Instead of looking backward at what I didn't do, I started imagining my future self. Picture the end of next year. What are 3 things that would make you fist pump and say, yes, I crushed it? Now do the same for your personal life. What moments with friends or family would make you proud? Now take those big dreams and break them down. Want to run a 5K? Find a race, make a training plan, dig out those running shoes. The key is making it so easy you can't say no. And here's the real game changer. Plan your week before it even starts. I like to sit down on Friday afternoons when the week's winding down and map out what matters most. I pick 2 or 3 priorities in 3 categories: career, relationships, and self, because balance is everything. Then I schedule those things first, before the calendar gets eaten up by random meetings and errands. And don't wait for massive chunks of free time. They rarely show up. Use the small moments. Read a few pages of a book on your commute, call a friend while you're waiting in line, or carve out 5 quiet minutes just for yourself. These bits of joy add up. So next time you catch yourself saying, I don't have time, remember you're making a choice. Time is elastic. It will stretch for what really matters. Prioritize your passions and you'll be amazed at what you can fit into your 168 hours. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and let's make every week count.